Welcome to English Story Listening House. Today we present The Honest Boy and the Lost Necklace, a beautiful English moral story for listening and learning. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor boy named Sunny. Sunny loved to study, but his family was very poor. So, after school, he worked to earn some money. One evening, while walking home, Sunny saw something shiny on the ground. It was a beautiful golden necklace. Sunny was surprised. He thought, if I sell this necklace, I can buy food, clothes, and books. But his heart whispered, this is not yours. Return it to the owner. The next morning, Sunny went to the village square and shouted, did anyone lose a golden necklace? Many people came, but none could describe it correctly. Finally, a rich old woman arrived in tears. She said, my necklace has a red ruby in the middle and a broken lock. Sunny smiled and gave her the necklace. She was overjoyed. The woman offered him a big reward, but Sunny said, I don't want money. I only did what was right. The woman blessed him. May your honesty shine brighter than gold. From that day, everyone respected Sunny. He grew up to be a wise teacher. Moral: honesty is the best policy. True wealth is good character, not money. Vocabulary: necklace, a piece of jewelry worn around the neck. Shiny, bright, because it reflects light. Surprised, feeling amazed or shocked. Describe, to explain something with words. Reward, something given for good work or honesty. Honest, telling the truth, not cheating or stealing. Blessed, made happy or fortunate. Character, moral qualities of a person. Wealth, valuable things, especially money. Please don't forget, like, comment, share and subscribe for more English stories.